are you? This is Lois. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and safe wherever you are. Now. Seeking asylum in Canada. This is what we're talking about today. Seeking asylum in Canada. You know, I've already talked about the eligibility of cases, like who can come here and seek asylum, what qualifies, under what grounds you can come seek asylum. We've talked about all the 5 convention grounds. You may want to look at my other videos that I've talked about this. But so here we are talking about people who do not qualify. You're found to be ineligible, like you can't come here to seek asylum. That's what I want to address, so that from wherever you are, because mostly you'll be outside Canada planning to come seek asylum, you will know, like, will I even be allowed? Will they even want to listen to my case? Okay, I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant based here in Calgary, Alberta. This information is for education purposes only, my friend. This is not legal advice. If you need legal advice, please head on to our website www.milelleimmigrationservices.ca and book a consultation there, and I'll be happy to meet with you to discuss your issue, to clarify things, and to give you peace of mind. Okay, guys? Anyway, so here you are, and now we are not talking of the exemption. So yeah, so assuming assuming you even qualify for those exemptions, you can look at the other video that we talked about people who are coming from the United States and the exemptions that I talked about there. But why would you come to the border or come to the airport and the visa officer says, no, you are not eligible, you can't seek asylum? Regardless how good your case, you could have the most legit case, but they say, unfortunately, you cannot seek asylum here. Okay, number one is if you have already claimed asylum in Canada before, and this maybe your asylum case was accepted, so you can't be applying again if your case was accepted, or it was refused, or it was withdrawn, abandoned, or found to be ineligible. Maybe they looked at your case and said, no, this case doesn't qualify, so you cannot. Okay, the other reason is either you have been recognized as a refugee in another country and you can be returned there. So if you're already a refugee in that country and you can be returned there without any more danger to you, you cannot be eligible to seek asylum in Canada. And the other reason is if it was decided that you cannot be admitted into Canada. What does that mean? It means that you are found inadmissible. Why would you be found inadmissible yet your life is in danger? That would be most likely because of security reasons, or because you violated human or international rights, or because you committed a serious crime, or you are involved in organized criminality. Okay, my friend? The other reason is that if you have already made an asylum claim in the United States or United Kingdom, Australia, or New Zealand. So if you have done that in any of those 4 countries, unfortunately you are ineligible to make a claim in Canada. But they are going to give you a chance to seek a pre-removal risk assessment. That is a PRA. My friend, PRAs are not simple. They have very low success rate. So make sure before you apply for a PRA, you have legal representation. Okay? Now, out of those 4 reasons that we just talked about here, that you not be allowed, you not be eligible, if your claim is found not to be eligible, you will be subjected to the removal process. And at that point, most likely they're going to detain you, but they'll give you one last chance, and that is the PRA. That is the pre-removal risk assessment. They're going to ask you to apply for that. Luckily, if it's successful, then you'll be recognized as a convention refugee or a protected person in Canada. If it's not successful, that is your last shot. Unfortunately, you will be returned back to your country. Okay, my friend? So thank you so much for watching, for being here with me. Now, let us look at the Safe Third Country Act when you're going to the United States to seek asylum. Okay, that is in my next video. Bye now.